Welcome back to the Alaskan Mancave. Today we're going to do install on my Polaris Ranger. You know how when you're plowing and you're using your winch to raise and lower the plow, it always ruins your cable? So I found a winch strap made by Warren. We're going to install that onto my winch and remove the winch cable. That way we can not destroy the cable I already have. This should be a relatively easy install. Should just start out with disconnecting the plow, backing the side-by-side up a little bit so I got room to work on it. Then we'll strip out all the old cable and disconnect it from the winch. Then we should just be able to reinstall this new winch strap and wind it back up and attach it back to the plow. Should be pretty simple. Let's get started. Now we should have enough room to get around the front of the machine here and work on the winch. First thing we're going to want to do is reach in and turn our winch to free spool. Then we can go ahead and start just pulling out the cable. And you can see just from just plowing a few times, I already got quite a bit of wear and I've got one frayed cable already. You're going to want to rotate your drum until you can see that Allen set screw right there. We'll remove that and then we should be able to pull our cable free. Now our cable comes out freely and we'll be able to install our new winch strap. Now we have our cable off, so we'll be able to begin to thread our new rope on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate the drum until I have the hole facing up. There we go. And now I'll feed my rope under the drum, back up over the top, and then we'll feed it down into the hole. On the bottom, I'll make sure our rope is flush with the bottom of the hole, and then we'll go ahead and tighten this up. There we go. Now we're going to turn the power back on and lock the winch back in, and we'll use the power to roll it back up. So I'm going to take our bumper. I've removed the 2 screws so we can slide our strap through there, and then we'll be able to tighten it up. Should be enough room to leave the cable or the strap flat across there, but if we have to, we can always bunch it up and roll it to where it fits in the center. Give it a little bit more out. There we go. Now we just need to tighten it up. That should be on there pretty good. And that seam right there, that's going to help keep that from sliding forward when we pull it up against the front. Now with that installed, we'll go ahead and pull forward back onto our plow, get hooked up, and then we'll figure out how we're going to do the hook. We can either take the hook off the original cable, or we can rig something else with a shackle, for instance. I think I want to mount my strap all the way down here and get rid of this thing so I can have better lift height. I just happened to pick up a few of these links the other day, just on a whim. It's a good thing I did, because this will be perfect for this application. There, that worked out pretty good. Like I said, it was a pretty simple install, easy to do, and it'll save a ton of headache with the cable later on. It's definitely worth the, I think it was like roughly $30. I bought it off of eBay, and super easy to install. So highly recommend it. It'll be a good modification for your snow plow for the winter, and it's real easy just to swap those cables out again in the spring. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Until then, we'll see you.